Hi guys! Good morning! Punta kami ulit kila Joanne para i-meet sila and kasama na si husband. First, we're gonna go there to buy a pistachio. Para yun yung ikukutin namin sa loob ng train. Yung oras ngayon is 10:15 a.m. dito sa Netherlands. Kaya nyo guys, busy na naman dito sa market namin. Kasi nga, Saturday, kaya maraming tao. May grocery. Tara dun sa may unahan. Kasi maraming mga display. So, we're gonna buy here. Here. There. We're gonna buy. Yes.
Met knoflook en des dan zonder, zeg maar. En dan hebben we die middelste erop.
So we buy this one of each. This kind of. Papunta na kami guys ng train station. Mag-stop lang kami dun sa market kasi meron kami mga binili. Ang daming tao.
This truck is looking good.
I wanted to go there upstairs. Look guys.
Where? That?
Yeah, that one. Dadalhin ko kayo ulit guys dito sa Venlo train station. So, bibili lang kami ng ticket. English. One way. Utrecht.
Business class.
Yes. Yeah, and then scan the card. And the card will come out. And the receipt. Let's go. Tingnan nyo guys, may naghahalikan. Uy! Sasakyan namin guys is going to Nijmegen. Kasi nga, walang direct go to Utrecht. So, mag-stop kami, mag-overseat. And then, pagdating namin ng Nijmegen, lilipat kami ng another train. So, our train is still not here. So, we need to wait 8 minutes. So, we need to scan this para mag-check-in. And another one. Bakit nga ba kailangan mag-check-in? Kasi nga, pag pasok mo ng train, possible na may mag-check ng ticket mo. Tapos, i-check nila kung nag-check-in ka ba or hindi. Kasi minsan, kapag hindi mo na-check-in, possible na tikitan ka nila at pabayaran ka. One time nga kasi nga bumili kami noon online, hindi kami nag-check-in. Tapos, mabuti lang, sinigyan kami na next time, you need to check in your ticket para maging valid. And my husband is busy eating pistachio. While waiting for the train, kakain muna kami. My favorite, my husband, yung feeling is cheese with cheers. We're gonna go now. Where's platform 3?
What time?
4 minutes. So guys, we need to find our platform. So, bababa kami guys kasi nandun yung platform number 3. Busy din dito sa Nijmegen. So, where is it? Here? So, kailangan namin pumunta doon, 3V. So, 3 minutes na lang. Darating na yung train. Kaya nagmamadali kami.
She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
So, ini.
But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.
Dat is spoor 7.
Leidencentraal?
Go to toilet? Someone wants to sit here. I said, no, look in the toilet. You come back. So this is our last train. And then after this, we were gonna stop in Utrecht. Actually, I'm busy. Special?
Dames en heren, beste reizigers, bijzonder goedemorgen, van harte welkom. En middag is het trouwens inmiddels van harte welkom in deze Intercity met als eindbestemming Leiden Centraal. Wij gaan onderweg voor u stoppen de Arnhemse.
So guys, we are now here in Utrecht. Akit lang kami sa taas. So many people. Yes, it's correct.
At the corner cafe with a notebook and
Here is the
she's
exit.
chasing skies I've never named.
Foster babies.
Stay in my something
Let's go! Tingnan niyo yung ano nila, chandelier.
pulling at my chain.
Atro.
Oh, try. You carry the sun in your strength. Even behind
Ang daming tao kasi nga Saturday.
what I hold
So it's shopping day.
if I don't ask you today.
Tinawagan nga pala kami nila Joanne at sinabi sa amin na lumabas na lang ng mall para doon namin sila hintayin kasi nga para din sila mag-parking. At hindi rin naman kami mag-shopping sa loob. And dito nga kami banda naghintay sa kanila. Medyo na traffic nga kaya medyo natagalan pero konti lang naman. Tumawid nga kami sa kabila kasi nandun pala sila. Tingnan nyo guys, merong boat sa baba. Finally nga, nagkita na kami at kakatapos nga lang namin i-park yung car nila sa loob ng parking lot at dediretso na kami para manood ng sine. Malayo nga pala guys yung cinema from Utrecht Station at wala ding cinema sa loob ng mall. Kaya nag-drive pa kami ng about 15 minutes I think. Nilakad nga lang namin papunta doon kasi malapit lang naman. So ito yung unang gagawin namin. And after nito guys, pupunta kami sa bahay nila.
Open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler.
Dito na nga kami guys sa sinihan. Actually, hindi pa namin alam kung ano nga ba yung papanoorin namin kasi nga hindi namin chinek. So ito nga pala guys yung itsura sa loob ng sinihan. Namili na nga si husband kung ano nga yung panonoorin namin. Ang napili nga namin is yung movie na Trons ba yun? Kasi nga yun yung pinakaunang movie na magsa-start. Wala din kaming choice kasi nga yung ibang movies is late na magsa-start. And alam nyo ba guys, yung binayaran namin is 49 euro per 2 tickets. Nag-avail nga din pala kami nitong sunglass kasi nga nanonood kami ng 4D.
And I'll be brave, but what if courage comes too late? traveler, the world is your open gate.
Namili nga kami ng aming dadalhin sa loob. So, yung una namin na kinuha is yung drinks. Tapos, nag-order kami ni husband nitong chips. Yun yung sa kanila naman is popcorn. So, yung pagbayad guys is self-service. So, yung mga kinuha mong foods, ikaw mismo yung mag-scan para bayaran. Meron din naman nagmo-monitor para i-check nila kung tama ba yung binayaran nyo.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in
Papasok na kami sa loob kasi nga mag-start na yung movie.
It's cinemas. In the event where we have breaks. Cinema goes and then stop.
Ah, it's there. Sila may mga dalang beer. Alam niyo ba guys, nagulat ako dito kasi nga meron silang allowed dito magdala ng beer sa loob ng sinihan. Hindi tulad sa Philippines na bawal, di ba?
and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your.
So guys, meron kaming ganito. So pwede natin itong suotin kapag manonood. Kasi nga, yung radiation. Ganito. Tapos na kami guys manood. Ang ganda ng movie. Para kaming nasa movie. Kasi nga, while they are moving, dadala din kami. So, akit lang kami sa taas. Para pumunta kami sa car. Actually guys, ang mahal ng nabayaran nila. Nagbayad kami ng €10.49 sa parking. Kasi nga, nagpark kami dito 4 hours.
I'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave.
So guys, magluluto kami ng pansit.
Pansit bihon.
Meron kami dito ng chicken. Shrimp.
Ano lang kasi natitira ko na.
Lagyan namin siya ng canton.
Marami ako luluto ngayon. Like, last time kasi okay lang yun eh. Sa realize ko gulang pala sa akin. Kain ako ng pansit. Siguro yung birds mo kumaangat sa isang ano. Kaya birds pinabukas ko ng gusto.
Red pa rin yung ginagamit yung onion. Red. Kami yung white.
Wala kami white eh.
Gusto yun yung suban. Wala sa lang kasi dito.
Pero yung mas malasa yan compare sa white.
Naluto na yung pansit. Ang sarap ng pansit.
What you are drinking?
Coke.
How do you put down? You need to one time pull. Outside.
I never opened.
Kasi naman alam.
Because they have that, if you pull it, and on the side.
Sa first time na tinanggal, hindi ko na ibalik.
No, it's good.
Hindi dati nung ano yung parang
Play now. I'm gonna play now. Okay, of course, quick play. We're gonna choose Boston Celtics. You know why?
No?
Because we're gonna play.
Nalaro na sila.
So basically, you're the red.
red.
I'm passing you. I'm passing like. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult to understand. You're out of the line. You see there, right? Yeah, exactly. You're.
Teach him how to shoot. Or don't teach him.
You see there, right? You're red. That one go. But it's okay. That's fine. You see there, right? You're red. See how
Saan siya din sis?
Come last. Release.
Alam ko na saan siya.
Ano alam eh.
Siya ngayon sa...
Good job. You're red. You're red. You see Drew Holiday? You have to defend him.
Ikaw buksan. Malaki to guys. Hindi ko nakalimutan na yung pangalan.
Okay. Understand now?
Hindi, meron siya dito. Oh, sila.
Learn how to pronounce each word name. Okay, you say yours, I'm gonna say mine.
Ay,
Mine is like in Lithuanian language, we
ito
say
namin yung chocolate.
Vitanis.
Thank you, Mama, for giving this.
How do you say Latin? No, Vitanis.
Paano to?
Vitanis.
Dito na. Narinig din sila.
Vitanis.
Ah, iba-iba yung shade.
Vitanis.
Cute, ang lilit lang pala.
Vitanis.
So yung shape niya guys, square and heart and circle.
Iba-ibang flavor siya. Ayun.
Sometimes it's just.
I was reading your name on the.
Bango.
Parang ang sila sa binigay niya sa dati.
I know how it's pronounced. But
Yeah, exactly.
Of course,
Exactly.
So we're gonna choose heart.
Like, that's it. Like V.
Ano yung sa Korean na heart?
Vitanis.
So I choose heart.
Vitanis.
Harap.
Okay, how can you say me?
Tignan yung dalawa.
Parang siya guys.
But at the beginning, you know my name.
No. Lasing na.
No.
No, you don't know my name. Sundays.
Hanap si heart.
It should be very easy.
No. Sundays.
Vitalius,
It's so funny. Did you ever say to me?
No. I didn't know also his name.
You also didn't know.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Because
You know what? I never heard your name.
Because
before.
they're-
You don't know.
their
I never
name.
heard. Nobody told me before.
So you never heard it.
Like what she told me that she said like there is that her girlfriend like that
Sunday.
she's meeting.
Sunday.
Exactly.
Because they combined their name.
Latvian partner. And what's funny, I could see her last name, and it's for sure. I mean, it could be Lithuanian, but it can be Latvian. And I see Žvirbulis.
Yes.
Only because she's texting with her. I never knew your first name.
I never. Okay.
Nobody told me.
I'm Sandy.
Sandy.
Sundays?
Sa try ko na itong
It's new.
Sim lang ba yung ano niya palaman?
Yeah, it's new. It's new. But the time just it's
Lithuanian.
it's really
Sim lang yung palaman niya.
Vitalis. Yeah,
Sarap siya.
Vitalis.
Dark
You wouldn't find anywhere else for sure. I'm almost guaranteed.
Mahal pa dyan, chocolate.
But
I need to learn that. I need to learn that. I'm trying.
Meron siyang ano, binigay sa akin. Ang dami.
and you cannot be angry at anyone. Exactly. But
Namiss ko to.
anyway,
Sorry, Paji
it's
po.
nice to know
Ito
what
masarap.
conversation.
So we are a bit touch.
Ito yung ano, ginagawang lunch ko.
Sandy.
Pero yan, may ano siya, sugar siya.
And Vitalis.
So I get buttercream, chili house.
Sarap yan.
Matikman ko yung ano, nasa loob ng
Vitalis.
Labas ko.
Pwede, pag na-uwi siya. Pwede ako papapili nito.
I really like that. I want to.
Dati, na-addict ko si husband. Bumili siya ng
Because
ano,
for you it's also
yung egg.
something new and for me also something new.
Ayaw ko din.
Oo. Tapos,
May laro ko.
excited kami kung ano yung laman niya. Tapos minsan, ano, sino mga nakukuha namin. Ang dami namin.
I never
Na
actually
kulit.
met
Dalawang box.
before
Tapos
we
tinigil
met
namin kasi nga,
in the
same lang yung
Central
nakukuha
Station.
namin.
First time I heard your name,
Try daw.
it was in the Central Station in Utrecht.
Ang dami
In
ng
Central
chocolates.
Station where I picked you up.
That's where your first time was
Met.
heard. Yes.
Yeah, and I heard first time your name I heard there
How did you?
because I said hello Dennis and you said son.
I'm a little bit younger than this.
Di siya nga to dance lang.
Nah, come on, I'm already old. I have pain. I could show.
Sure, totoo eh.
Oh yeah, polka, yeah, polka. This was,
Yeah.
but what I know when I was 30, but I was the best dancer. Really. But it was.
Exactly. But yeah, it was a long time ago.
This was
Yeah.
Mga vloggers.
almost 40. Yeah, and there was polka. Polka.
Yeah, I know. We did the same, but what I did, it was, how do you say, like ballet. You know?
So you also, yeah, but you really having.
yeah. Like what I do, I was doing good.